I'm ready for love. Why are you hiding from me? I'd quickly give my freedom to be held in your captivity. I'm ready for love. All of the joy and the pain, and all the time that it takes just to stay in your good grace. Lately I've been thinking maybe not ready for me. Maybe you think I need to learn maturity. You say watch what you ask for, 'cause you might receive. And if I ask you tomorrow, I'll say the same thing. I am ready for love. Would you please lend me your ear? I promise I won't complain. I just need you to acknowledge that I am here. If you give me half a chance, I'll prove this to you. I will be patient, kind, faithful and true to someone who loves music, someone who loves art, and respects the spirit world and thinks with his heart. Ooh, I'm ready for love. If you'll take me in your hands, I will learn what you teach, and do the best that I can. I am ready for love, here with an offering of my voice, my eyes, my soul, my mind. Tell me what is enough. Prove I am ready for love. Ooh, I'm ready for love.